So today we're going to be revisiting an old classic. I feel like we all know what's going to happen with this, but I think we all want to see it happen again.
Who wouldn't?
I don't remember it making that noise.
Not heard a microwave sound so angry before. I'm seeing smoke though.
Yeah.
Is it from the pencil or the microwave?
I think it's from the microwave.
Yeah, it smells like microwave.
Okay, stop. Okay.
Ripperoni, dude.
Well, that's the end of the microwave.